Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for this Wednesday, June the 17th. Well, we had a good day, to say the least. We've done trading very early. That's our goal. And we hit it. Let's take a look at the first couple. These are EC trade, the currency futures which we trade in the morning. We took a long here. Just to review, we looked for 5, 10, 20, and greater pips. We got 5 pips, stop at break even. We were out with 5 pips. We took another shot. We went short, and actually we went short right up in here. Came down, had got our 5 pips right in here. We go right here. We brought our entry to break even. We got taken out, and we would have gotten our 20 pips. But we keep our stops tight for those small account holders. Don't lose money, and that's how I account for these. We had a couple larger account holders who trade multiples of contracts, and were able to get in most of this move. So those were our two EC trades for the day. Next, let's move over to the couple other trades that we took. We had one more in the morning, and here it is right here. We had a counter trend trade. Got in it, got our 1, got our 2 points. We were done. And you can see again, people trading multiples of contracts were able to ride this down very nicely. But it's accounted for as 1 in 2 points as we account for them, because I used 3 contracts, just to give you an idea. Now let's go on to our directional trades. Okay, what a day, what a difference a day makes for getting nothing. Well, this is what happened. This one happened out of the gate, happened so quick we weren't even able to get in on it. So we missed this one. This was too quick. That one did work. We were in the second trade that we did get a point long right here. We got in this trade. We were out, got a point. So we're in and out. Right after that, another trade set up. The problem was all conditions were not met. The MACD was not met. And so we had to back off. We didn't take this trade, and you can see this is a beautiful trade. But we go by the rules and the parameters, and that one we did not take. We passed on this one, which did work. We had it was coming from a low, and we had a pretty big candle up and above. So we backed off, didn't take that one. That one would have worked. So here we were. It was 10 minutes of prior to this. It was 10:08, and we were 5-0, and many of the members left at that point, like I suggested. So we took a break at 11:30, our usual. We will be trading during lunch, and getting done early in the afternoon is how we're going to adjust this. But when I came back, you can see 1, 2, 3. There were 3 more trades. This 1, 2 points. This one would have been 1 and 2 points. This one would have been 1 point. You'd have been stopped out break even, but 3 successful trades. And I got back right about this red candle coming down. You can see all of a sudden this set up. We grabbed this one. That was at 126, and we closed the books, and we were done trading today at 126. And you can see there were a couple others. This one came through. This would have been profitable trade. We'd have taken the signal. This one here, we'd have been in, and this one would have been profitable. And it looks like the market's still setting up. It's 347. Uncle Mike doesn't usually trade after 330, so I wouldn't be in any of these. But this looks like it may be a profitable one also. So we had trading 3 contracts. Would have been up $750 today at 126 and been done. Or you could have been done at 10 o'clock at 5-0, and you would have had $600. So hopefully this continues. This is the way to trade. Don't let the greed filter into your thoughts, and when you're hit your goal above your goal, or it's time, you just have to quit, and you come back the next day. Thanks for joining Uncle Mike, and I will see you tomorrow evening.